Todd Chrisley's mother Nanny Faye appearance on Instagram after her son is arrested. Chrisley knows best characters Chris and Julie were doomed once the judge issued an order of imprisonment. People who watch the show are aware that the two have been in court for a long time. The Chrisleys were sentenced to a total of 19 years in jail by the court. Todd is scheduled to serve 12 years, while Julie will serve 7. The jury found them guilty of multi-million-dollar bank fraud and tax evasion. They were also accused with cheating banks and the IRS, while Julie was charged with wire fraud. The Chrisleys, according to the defense, borrowed the loan to fund their luxurious lifestyle. The money they borrowed from banks was used to fund their expensive travels, luxurious automobiles, imported furniture, and overseas trips. In the midst of Todd's trial, Nanny Faye's future appeared uncertain. Continue reading to learn about her appearance on her grandson's social media account. Chrisley is correct. Nanny Faye appears to be doing well following her son's incarceration. Julie and Todd, the stars of Chrisley Knows Best, have testified to their innocence. Todd Chrisley blamed it on a few trustworthy staff who began working in 2012. He stated that it included a slew of illegal activities, such as faking signatures and threatening staff with violence. However, things did not go their way, and they have been in prison since January 17, 2023. Lindsay, Savannah, Chase, Kyle, Chloe, and Grayson are the Chrisleys' 6 children. The majority of them are adults who can care for themselves. Grayson and Chloe, on the other hand, are the youngest, and Savannah is their guardian. There is also a lot of upheaval surrounding their daughter Chloe Chrisley. People who watch the show are aware that she is an adoptive child. Her birth mother vouched for her custody in the court sentence going forward. Savannah, on the other hand, is caring for her sister despite her feelings that she is inadequate to parent her. There is also another Chrisley Knows Best member to take care of. It's Todd's mother, Nanny Faye. She is a cheerful soul who brightens the atmosphere. Her appearance on the show was well received. However, following her son's trial, fans are divided on who will look after her. Chase has taken on the job of caring for his grandmother. He recently published a video of himself with his grandmother on Instagram. Chase informed viewers he was driving Nanny Faye to her doctor's appointment, but she refused to tell him where she was going. As a result, Chase had to guess the position and turns. He asked her what had happened as he panned the camera toward her. She cooperated by answering, "We made a mistake." Further, the grandson humorously focused on the early timing of the day. Chrisley is right. How are the Chrisleys faring in prison? Chase also revealed in a recent Instagram story that his grandmother is cancer-free and has no new tumors. Savannah Chrisley, on the other hand, discussed her parents' time in prison in a podcast. She said that the protagonists of Chrisley Knows Best are doing well in prison. For context, her podcast is called Unlocked. While Todd has dealt with a few hard days, his wife, Julie, is dominating in card games. They are, however, struggling, particularly Todd Chrisley. His children send him emails, call him, and pay him visits whenever feasible. Will the Chrisleys be out soon? Stay tuned for more exciting news updates at TV season and spoilers.